Morning, Steve Fried in Chicago with the morning grain comments. It's Friday. Obviously, we've had a busy week, and the markets are kind of mixed overnight. First of all, in the grains, we're up a little bit. Beans up 3 to 4 cents. Corn's up maybe a penny, and wheat's up either unchanged or up a penny. There are some technicians who feel that the market is becoming oversold, especially going into the January 11th USDA report, and that we might see a little bounce, short covering into that report. The outside markets yesterday, Fed minutes from earlier in the month suggested that the U.S. economy may be getting better, and so they may stop their stimulus package. That's caused the dollar to rally pretty sharply, and things like gold to break pretty sharply. It's offering a little bit of resistance to the stock market too. And crude oil is also lower. There's been some talk that some of the larger funds are exiting the commodity markets as an asset class. They've been in for 5 years now, and their net returns on their investments have been disappointing. And so they may be leaving our market, which could also be one of the reasons why we've seen prices drop in the last 30 days and could be offering resistance to price in the next 30 to 60 days. The focus today is on weather. Down in South America, Argentina has turned dry. That's good for crops. They could have a chance of rain next week, but the concern is that that may be a more drier trend down the road. Southern and central Brazil conditions are favorable. The USDA Ag Bureau in Brasilia raised their estimate another 1 million tons of the Brazil soybean crop to 83 million tons, which would be a record. Northeast Brazil, though, it continues to be dry. Here in the United States, the maps suggest that there might be some precip in for the southern plains next week, and it's very needed right now. There is another map, though, that continues to keep things dry. Some of the weather experts are watching the Pacific water temperatures. They're beginning to show a little coolness. If we switch to a La Nina, which is not in the cards yet, we could actually raise the chances of a drier U.S. summer. So that's got to be watched pretty closely. So again, weekly export sales are expected to be on the light side, and the window for us to sell beans to China is closing. We got 1% of the Brazil harvest done to date, and by February they should have beans to export, and their prices for February are cheaper than U.S. As always, these are my thoughts, not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services, and have a safe and profitable trading day.